Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The permission was given to us from Group 2. The final term, Web Programming 1, Musa Warman, Eskom, MMSI. Group 2 with us, Ayusti Roma, with name 2019 04016, and Vira Virginia with name 2019 04021, and Adila Alaina Rizky with name 2019 04027. Discussion 1. Introduction, background and purpose. 2. Theoretical basic, HTML, CSS, jQuery, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. 3. Website design, about, gallery, and contact. 4. Conclusion, kesimpulan dan saran. Number 1. Introduction. Background. Website is a collection of information or collection of text commonly accessed via the internet. Everyone is curious, please, and all the time can use it as long as they are connected online on the internet network. Technically, a website is a collection of pages which are incorporated into a particular domain and subdomain. Websites are on the World Wide Web, WWW Internet, and purpose. This purpose of making this final semester assignment is to create a website using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or jQuery or Bootstrap as the website that will be used as the academic activity for making an education website. Various materials that have been studied in the Web Programming 1 course and make plans that can later be used as application or implementation that the BIN give us a report. 2. Theoretical basis. The speaker will be explained by Adila Lainaris.
Yes, okay. Thank you to the moderators who have given me opportunity to explain HTML material and CSS. HTML is standard for hypertext markup language, which is a standard programming language used to create a web page which can be accessed to display various information in an internet web browser. HTML is a language that originated from the language that was previously widely used in the printing and publishing world called Standard Generalized Markup Language, or SGML. In general, in function of HTML is to manage a series of data and information so that a document can be accessed and displayed on the internet through a web service. And then is CSS, or Cascading Style Sheet, is a web design language, style sheet language that controls the display format of a web page written using markup language. Usually, CSS is used to design an HTML and XML page, but now CSS can be applied to all XML documents, including SVG and XUL and even Android. CSS also allows a page to be displayed in various styles by using different rendering methods, such as on screen, in the print, by voice, and so on. Meanwhile, the owner of web content can determine the link that connects the content with the CSS file. The main function of CSS is modify design from a website page, blog, and website, and the content of the website page or HTML text. Logically, CSS can change the HTML text which are simple, so that they become more functional and attractive. Maybe that's all I can say. I'll take it back to the moderator. Thank you.
Thank you for the explanation for Adila. And next, the speaker will be explained later by Pira.
Yes, thank you to the moderator who gave me the time to explain about Material jQuery. Query is a JavaScript library that is useful to help simply and speed up website creation. In essence, the function of jQuery is a JavaScript library that helps manage the interaction between JavaScript and HTML or a website, so you do not need to manually and constantly adjust it. In more detail, the following is the jQuery function. The first, make it easier to find, select, and manipulate DOM element in JavaScript. Second, assigning and defining callback event function can be made easier by one step at location in the code. This is a new paradigm for event handling by JavaScript. And last, various commonly used JavaScript functionalities such as fade-in or fade-out when determining the visibility of element and displaying various animation with manipulation of CSS properties are easier to achieve. Next. JavaScript. JavaScript is a dynamic computer programming language. In general, JavaScript is used in web browser to create attractive interactive web pages and implement various functions on web pages. JavaScript is one of the web programming that we have to learn beside HTML and CSS. The main use of JavaScript is to write functions that are inserted into HTML, either directly pasted or placed in the file and link from HTML document. Functionally, JavaScript is used to provide script access to embed objects. Next, Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a CSS framework library that has been made specifically for developing the front end of a website. Bootstrap is also known as a CSS, HTML, JavaScript framework, which is so popular among website developers or website developers. Many Bootstrap functions can be used for a website. The following function. First, can speed up the time to process the front end of a website. 2. Display a more modern side of the website and is also typical of today's children. And 3. The appearance of the Bootstrap itself is very responsive, so it is very supportive for all types of resolution, whether it's tablet, smartphone, or PC and laptop. Next, 3. Design website. Next, can say I'll take it back to the moderator and
Thank you for the explanation, Polpila Virginia. And next, the speaker will be explained later by Adila.
Okay, thank you to the moderator. I'll explain the beginning of the menu of the website. The first is a header or navigation, where the elements describe a container for the introduction of a series of navigation links, which the first on there the menu about. Then there see galleries menu and the menu in a contact. And as the tree says that using the container command with section ID is home section and his class hero. Then to say 3 gas heading 1 in the text center format. Then use the tree background in the container. Next. Then here is a div class container using row justify content and to make a heading 2 and a paragraph to look responsive and appealing, where heading 2 is written downstream the web education about plants or trees that benefit human survival. Next. Then inside the container are 4 columns, where the first column source code, div class icon order, and span class Flaticon layer. Then a second column source code a div class icon order, and span class of Flaticon web programming. The next third column source code a div class icon order and span class of Flaticon idea. And then the last column source code a div class icon order and span class of vacation contract. Next. And on the following picture are the result of the style background image, which is 31.jpg with heading to and link a half is gallery.html with his div class absolute. Next. And finally, the footer section discusses the addresses and information containers on the website using plain black background. Maybe that's all I can say. I'll take it back to the moderator. Thank you.
Thank you for the explanation for Adila. And the next speaker will be explained later by Irapia.
Yes, thank you to the moderator who gave me the time to explain menu about us in website. Next. Yes, fine. This time I will explain a little about the About menu on the education website that our group has created. In the About Us menu, we're using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. The first part of the left navigation header has education reading, and for the right header, there are 3 menus that will be discussed on our website. The first menu is About, the second menu is a gallery, and the third menu is contact. Then, in the About Us menu, we use a 3-image background where these 3 explain the creation of our website regarding 3 plain education. Next. Then scroll down, there is material regarding trees as the lung of the world, and beside the material there is picture of tree. Next. There is understanding of tree and tree function for human, and the last one discussed in the body section of the website menu is about a plan to plant 103 on free or empty land. Next. Next. And maybe that's all I can say. I'll take it back to the moderator and
Thank you for the explanation, Pira Virginia. And next, the speaker will be explained later by Adila Lainarizky.
Okay, thank you to the moderator. Next, I'm here to explain the source code of our web menu galleries. The first is a header or navigation, where the element describe a container for the introduction of a series of navigation links, which the first on three, the menu about, and the menu galleries, and menu contact. Next up is the style background image with the background 5, and this is the code for subheading with div class and span and heading 2. Next. And then div class is absolute relative and use a paragraph. Next. Maybe that's all I can say. I'll take it back to the moderator. Thank you.
Thank you for explanation for Adila. And next, this is contact us. Here there is a contact to find out the address using the HTML source code as showing in the result, and have contact who can be connected to find out more about this website. Next. And scroll down, we can see background black, about us, information, links, and have a question, address Polytechnic Engineering Endorama, number 4, and address email wasrpl@gmail.com. And next, the conclusion. The above conclusion, the speaker will be explained later by Pira Virginia.
yes, thank you to the moderator who gave me the time to explain recommendation. In the preparation of this website is still very simple, especially in terms apparent. It is better for the development stage of the new system to be made as attractive as possible and further developed with additional information that is more complete, which certainly can be more useful for managers and users of the website. And the design of this website is expected to be more interactive so that the information desired by user can be more useful. Maybe that's all I can say. I'll take it back to the moderator.
Thank you for the explanation for Pira Virginia, and that's all the we can present from this website project. More and less, please forgive, and thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.